how you can install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, turn on your Roku TV. Now grab your Roku remote and press the buttons in this order. Press the home button 3 times, press the up arrow 2 times, press the right arrow once, left arrow once, right arrow once, left arrow once, right arrow once, left arrow once, and right arrow once. If you do this right, a secret developer options menu will pop up on your screen. Now, look at the screen and write down the IP address you see. You will need it later. Then, click on Enable Installer and Restart. Scroll down and agree to the license agreement. After that, create a password using the keyboard that pops up. This password will be important soon. Now, click Set Password and Reboot. Once your Roku restarts, go to your computer and open a browser. Visit my.roku.com. Log in with your Roku username and password. After you log in, find and click on Add Channel with a Code. In the box, type IPTV Smarters. Just like that, no spaces. Now click Add Channel and click OK if a warning pops up. Then click Yes, Add Channel. Now you need the IPTV Smarters package on your computer. Go to the website link and the download should start by itself. Save the file somewhere you can find easily, like your desktop. After that, open any web browser and type the IP address you wrote down earlier. A login box will show up. For username, type RokuDev, and for password, type the password you made before. Now click Sign In, then click Upload on the page. Find the IPTV Smarters file you saved and select it. Click Open, then click Install. If you see a success message, you did it right. Now go back to your Roku TV and you will see IPTV Smarters there. Open it, log in with your IPTV information, and you're ready to go. And that's it. That's how you can install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku.